Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Sasha. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply individual eyelashes. So there's a few different types of individual lashes. Not all of them are exactly the same. So I'm going to show you some common ones that you'll find at the drugstore. So the first one are the regular individuals. So these typically come in 3 different lengths: short, medium, and long. Another one that you'll find at the drugstore are double ups, which I'm going to be using today. These are a little bit thicker, darker, more black, and I personally love the way these look on myself. And then you'll also find the lash trios. So these are basically 3 individual eyelashes clustered together in one little band. So these are actually great if you're a beginner and you don't want to stack too many of them on top. They're already clustered together for you. So if you guys are interested in learning how to apply these individual lashes, then let's get started. So you're gonna need 3 things. The first is eyelash glue. I love my Duo in black. The second are a pair of tweezers, and of course, your individual eyelashes. So the first step is to actually apply a little bit of mascara. I have some on already. This is gonna provide a strong base for the individual lashes to hold on to. This goes for all false lash application. Now this part is super important. When you hold this, you want to actually flip it around so that the ends of the lashes are facing up, and that's how you're going to pick up the lash and apply it directly on your eye. So with the lashes that I have here, the first 2 rows are short length and the last 2 rows are medium length. So I'm gonna mix them up. Today I wanna create more of a cat eye effect, so I'm gonna do the longer ones in the outer corners and the shorter ones on the inner corners. As far as what level the mirror should be, you could either have it directly at eye level to you, or you can have it below you. Just as long as you could see your lash line, that's all that matters. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick up a medium lash, dip a little bit of that in the glue, and I'm gonna start on the outer corner of my eye and work my way in. And again, when I'm holding it, the end of the lash is facing up, and I'm just going to apply that directly on my lash line. And just like that, you have the first individual lash. Now don't freak out if you placed it in the wrong place, if you placed it too high, too low, to the side. Since the glue isn't completely dry yet, you have some playtime. So you can even take your finger and kind of move it up or down to the side. You can do that with the tweezers. You can move it around until it looks good to you. So right now I actually moved it up a little too high, so I'm just going to take my finger and kind of press it down, and just like that, the lash looks in place. I'm going to take another lash. This is a medium one as well. Dip a little bit of that in the glue. Again, the end of the lash is facing up, and when I apply it, I'm just going to place it right on my lash line. And look, it didn't place correctly, and that's okay. These things happen. The most important thing is being able to know how to fix it. So I'm going to pick it right back up with my tweezers, and I'm just going to replace it back on my lash line. And I'm going to use my finger to press that down. The goal is to avoid placing it on your skin because that's not going to look natural. You want to get as close to your lash line. Another thing that you could do that could be pretty helpful if you're doing this for the first time is to apply some eyeliner first. That way you know where to place the lashes, because you don't want to place it on the black part or the eyeliner because it's not going to look natural. You want to place it below the eyeliner. So here's a good one. I just placed one and it's like ding. It's going up too much, so I'm just going to take my finger and press it down. And for the other ones, I feel like they're kind of going down where they should be more up and away, so I'm going to take those ones and press it up a little bit. So far I have 6 of the medium ones on, about halfway through my eye, and for the rest of my eye I'm going to use the short ones. Alright, so I have a good amount of lashes on there. I could just stop because this looks really pretty and natural, but I always like to look at it after and see if there are any missing gaps that I could fill in, or even for me right now, I'm kind of in the mood to apply a little bit more in the corner. This is what I love about individual lashes because you can really customize it based on what you're looking for. So I'm picking up another medium lash and I'm going to apply that just right in the corner. The second layer of this is always easier to do because since you already have a strong base there with lashes, it's really easy to just place the lash and it will kind of just place anywhere on its own. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the other side of my lashes off camera and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so here's the final look. I'm really happy with the way everything turned out. Just remember, it's okay to reposition things, reapply things, move things around with your fingers, your tweezers. It's all part of the process and it's not going to be perfect the first time you do it. Thank you so much for watching today. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you're not yet subscribed to my YouTube family, then make sure that you're subscribed for more videos like this, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!